Time now for your early warning weather. The sunshine today certainly made the afternoon feel and look a bit like spring. But Tim Kelley, that spring-like weather isn't really lasting long, is it?
After all, it is April. Yeah, it's going to be beautiful tomorrow. We have a cloud going by. Today is Ship Shape Day in Scituate, Massachusetts. Cleanups going on throughout New England, an effort, sort of an Earth Day effort, spring cleaning. We postponed the grass planting, though, because of astronomical high tides. Didn't want it to wash away. And now this is Rockport, Massachusetts, where rocks that a lot of times you don't see, you can see. Weather underground camera, Baker JK cam. In Rockport, low tide at sunset is going to be high tide at 3 a.m. and minor coastal flooding is going to occur due to the position of the moon and the sun and the pull on the oceans. A 1 to 2 foot flood is going to occur, 1 to 2 feet above flood stage tonight. Fortunately, the wind is mostly offshore and the seas have diminished greatly since the last couple of days. A bright and brisk Sunday is in store, but it looks a little damp for Monday. Will it rain at Fenway Park? Maybe 5 or 10 raindrops, but I don't think the game is going to be postponed or delayed. 53 at game time. A few showers are in the vicinity. It's light spring jacket weather. Same thing tomorrow. We're going to get to 50 after winter jacket weather overnight tonight. 40s in the hills, and once you go north to where the ski areas in northern Vermont got 5 to 10 inches of snow last 2 days. Wintertime skiing, but tomorrow at least the sun will come out. The wind is going to kick up tonight, and tomorrow morning will be windy, but then during the afternoon the wind will diminish northwest at about 20 miles per hour and then diminishing to 5 or 10 miles an hour or even calm late in the day, and that'll set up for a cold start on Monday also. Red Sox had a good day in Toronto, also a cold day. It's only in the 20s in Toronto. That's the air that's coming in. There's a freeze advisory all the way down to South Carolina tonight, and there's new snow on the ground in New Jersey. Look at the swirl off of California. It's going to be interesting next week. It's this cloud and this cloud, though, the one over Denver and the one over Winnipeg, that could threaten us with some rain and snow on Monday. Look at this system. It came out of Pennsylvania, is circulating around, it's going to back around Maine and then go back into Quebec. So almost like a force field preventing it from coming through New England. Although a few raindrops and snowflakes mixed from Connecticut to Cape Cod overnight and will be gone by morning. Look at another snowstorm for Nova Scotia. High pressure comes into New England. That gives us the sun tomorrow. Clouds race in tomorrow night. And those two systems we talk about, Winnipeg and Colorado, kind of coming together over New York here. Monday at 7 a.m. Little snow in Vermont, some rain over Pennsylvania. It looks mostly light, although the roads could get a little slick, especially northern Maine. There's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Red Sox are playing. The sun may come out, and then the front's going to kind of stall over us. Monday night is rain from northern Maine to Vermont. Rain is changing to snow from Burlington north. There's some pretty cold air back there, but it's not going to come in fast, so I think it's mostly rain for southern and eastern New England Tuesday afternoon. So it's a couple of days there. Here's our 10-day forecast. Sunday, a nice day. Monday is just sort of damp and driest at the south coast, wettest in the far north. And then Tuesday, rain and snow in the mountains will move from east to west and end on Wednesday morning, probably a half-inch of rain. Thursday, the sun comes back, 50s, and then next week late is a tough call. There's going to be an ocean storm just kind of sitting out there, so there could be some big waves at the shore, but it looks like most of New England stays dry with temperatures going back into the 60s by Marathon Monday. That's our forecast.